Okay. The alarm on our car went off and the garage opened. Please get me my iPad. It's right there. Okay, please. Oh my. Oh. For those of you who don't believe in ghosts like you.
Like me.
What?
Like me.
Do you believe that they're wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, what will make you believe that they're real?
When I see one.
Well, I mean.
Let's find them.
I'm trying to get him to believe that they're real. But.
And see, I'm standing right here.
Even the light came on the inside.
I told you, I'm standing right here.
Okay, okay. But the detector's not detecting anything.
Maybe you need to get a little closer.
Okay, well, who wants to go with me? I'm closing the garage after this, just so you know. I'm glad I'm leaving on Tuesday. Come on. Come on, no need to be... Oh. No, did you
Not
do
me.
Oh.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
It's Ghost Wars. It's
What?
Ghost Wars.
What is going on out here? Out of here.
Okay, both your alarms went off. Somebody's trying to...
Well, something's being detected, right?
Oh, yes, something was detected. Oh my God. If you think I'm here and you're trying to show off, you are so... Please.
What?
I just don't like when you do that to me. You're just a regular thing. You are nice.
Papa's looking for the gun.
I thought I heard voices.
Press to start the detection. Okay, guys.
I'm gonna put this in the car so you don't get it.
Okay. You should take the ghost scanner with you. Okay, take the ghost scanner with you. Oh, we have to watch a stupid commercial first. Do you believe in ghosts now? What? You already saw a ghost. I already showed you a ghost.
I saw one in your scanner, but I want to see the real thing.
How do I do it?
I already started it for you now. Just go in the car. You ghost. If you do that one more time.
It's a danger.
It is?
Oh, it just moved back. When I went over here.
Careful. The door keeps locking.
Yeah. I'm unlocking it. Oh, look. It went to danger like 3 times.
Okay.
I think there's a ghost in
I
our...
think we better go in the house.
Okay.
Here, let me see. Do you start it?
Okay, press start detection. Wait, let me get the camera around in here. Guys, oh my goodness, look at all those prints on the back seat. Let's get that so camera can see. Okay, point it around everywhere.
I guess our car is pretty...
Wait, I heard like, ooh. No ghosts.
No ghosts in our car.
Okay, then that means...
Woo, that was close. I thought there was.
Yeah, but you know,
You don't have to sell the car now.
he might have got out and...
Howdy,
If there was, I was gonna have him fix a couple things while he's in there.
How?
I don't know.
If
He can
you-
do his ghost magic and fix some stuff in there.
If you probably try to force him to do something, he'd probably run at you and go into your body.
That would be kind of freaky.
He thinks